Friend, in the mobile market, after iPhone and Samsung phone, if any phone is known for its unique identity, it's Google phone, and this time the Google Pixel 11 Pro is also unique because for the first time Google is offering a stylus pen with its phone, and this will be placed on its bottom side, and also Type-C port, stereo speaker and microphone are provided, and the frame will be metallic. In the video we will talk about this more. Well, my name is Avaneesh and you are watching Tech Hunger. The camera arrangement is horizontal and occurs on almost every pixel, and there are 3 lenses including a 50 megapixel main camera and a telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and yes, you can also record video at up to 8K. And guys, there is a 48 MP selfie camera on the front, which is quite useful for blogging because you will be shooting 4K video with OIS, which is a feature found on very few phones. Regarding the Pixel 11 Pro performance, Google used its own chipset and it should be replaced, especially in hotter countries where lagging issues are more common, but it's likely Google will stick with the Tensor G6. And yes, the RAM options are good, 12 and 16 GB. In the rest of the phone, I don't see any major issue, and its display will be an LTPO OLED measuring 6.2 inch. So the phone is also compact, and yes, this time it will have a 144 Hz refresh rate, so the screen will be quite smooth, and it's also offer Victus glass protection. Friend, the Google Pixel 11 Pro will have 6000 mAh battery, which will be based on silicon. Guys, ultrasonic fingerprint scanner is inbuilt to keep data and file secure. Apart from all these, 5G network and single SIM slot. You can use 2 physical or multiple eSIMs, and the phone is completely waterproof, and it's offer feature like NFC and emergency SOS, and you also get a variety of color in this phone. And thanks to the stylus pen, this phone can now be used for office work as well. Guys, that's all for now. You can tell me how you liked the video in comments. I will see you on the next topic. Okay friend, thank you.